We just got back from a 2-week camping trip and we used quite a bit of propane, so we're going to see how much we have left. You can see the tare weight on this tank. The entire thing weighs 25.8 pounds. The tank alone weighs 25.3. So we have about a half a pound of propane left in this tank. Now that's a half a pound. So if you want to know how many gallons that is, you divide by 4.2 because there's 4.2 pounds in each gallon of propane. We've got just over a tenth of a gallon, which is basically, this thing's empty. It's time to go get some gas. All right, now we're back home. Here we go. 54.2. We're full.